as I was getting ready, my system does not work. We had a lightning strike this morning across the street from my house, and we've had some internet issues most of the day, but that was all sorted. But apparently, my switcher, which allows me to control the entire live feed and cameras and everything in here to do my live feed, no working. So, panel was ready, artwork was ready, but it's gonna have to wait, unfortunately, damn it, till I get this replaced or sorted. Sorry guys, I've been trying all week and it just doesn't want to cooperate. I'll keep you all posted.